Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'll continue my rock paper scissor project in Python from here, which was like we take user choices from the as an input from user, and we are asking the user to choose any choice rock paper and scissor, and we are saying that if not redot match ss rr in pp comma user choice, then print choose any letter, please choose not any letter, a letter, okay, and print rock comma paper comma sorry sci scissors and continue. What we are doing here, we are just saying that if because we use the library, regular expression library, and we are saying that if it doesn't matches with the user choice, we will say that choose any letter, and the user have to choose the rock, R for rock and P for paper and S for scissors, and it will continue till this while condition is true. Now we are saying that print y, okay, copy, you have to take care of these indentations, okay. Now we are saying that print f dot you chose any user, okay, and we are saying that we chose this user choice, which is rock paper and scissor, and now we are defining the statically we are defining the choices in this game. Like there are two opponent, one is you or any player, which will enter the rock paper scissor, or any user which will enter his or her choices, and the other person, like we are statically defining the choices in this game, which will also be the rock paper and scissor. As I already told you, there will be the two opponents, R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. So opponent choices will be choice is equals to random dot choice choices. Now print, this is the opponent one. I wait I the opponent is saying that I chose this, and the opponent is choosing randomly opponent choices. Like this random dot choice mean that it will the the code or the compiler will randomly assign the choices to this to the opponent. So the other person, if the other person is picking the paper symbol, and randomly the compiler assign the second opponent a rock, so the player one will win. Otherwise, it's like randomly assigning the choices to this opponent. We are not asking it from the user, so opponent choice. Now, if opponent user choice dot print tie the game. Otherwise, play is equals to check dot play. Check, where is check play status. We are just calling the method check play status here. Otherwise, else if opponent choice is equals to, if the opponent choice is rock and user choice dot upper, sorry, user choice dot upper is equals to scissor, then what will happen? Print rock beats scissors, comma, I win. As I already said this before writing the code, as I already said that if the rock beats scissor, so if the player 1 gets the symbol rock and the player 2 or the opponent 1 gets the symbol scissor, so the player 1 will win because the rock beats the scissors. And we will say play is equals to check play status. Okay, now tell me, why are they continuously calling this method again and again? Check play status. In this method, as I already said, this check play status method is used to ask the player whether the player wants to play this game or not, like whether the player wish to play this game again or not. So if the player wants to play the game again, so they will like again do the rock paper scissors shoot. If the player doesn't want to play the game, so he or she will enter no and the game will exit. So that's why we are calling this uh, check play status again and again after every turn. Else if opponent choice is equals to s and user choice dot upper, sorry, opponent choice, yes, user choice dot upper is equals to p, then we will say yes, if the rock and if the okay, then we will say print scissors beats scissors beats paper, and the it will print I win. And again call this method play is equals to check play status. Now let me copy this one, Control C. Now if the opponent choice is P, and the user choice is, I guess, rock, then we will say paper. Paper beats rock and I win. And we will again call this method here. And now in else we will say print if any of if you don't get all of the statements, like if you don't get rock over scissor, and if you don't get scissor over paper, and if you don't get paper over rock, then definitely opponent will win. So we will print, in else we will print you win backslash n, and here also play is equals to check play status. What we are doing here, for the operating system name is equals to wait, am I doing, yes, main play, we will call the method rock paper scissor method here. Now hopefully there will be no error. Play the game again. Responses is equals to input. Where? Yes, here. Check. Okay, where? Line 61. Where is the line 61? Here. Check play status. Play. RPS not defined. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. Cannot access local play where it is not associated with the value. Play is equals to true. PLAY. What are they saying? Let me check the error. While play is equals to true, they are saying that okay, we don't have to do this. Okay, now they are saying that choose any weapon, any symbol, rock, paper, or scissor. For example, if I say I choose paper here, okay, choices. Okay, I have to, here there is not a choices, it's a choice, I guess. Where is it? Okay, now again, if I say paper, and why did they say check play? Name check play status is not defined. Print you win check play status. There are too many spelling mistakes. Now if I play paper again, if I play now see, I said that I chose paper and the compiler or the other opponent is statically choosing scissor. So as I already said that scissors beats paper, so we are saying that, or the opponent is saying that y- I win because the opponent got the scissor and we entered paper, so opponent definitely won because scissor beats paper. And if I say I choose rock, okay, yes. Now see that they are saying that you want to play the game again, yes or no, and I entered R. Here we said that here we said that if the responses is not invalid responses, if you enter any other response than yes or no, it will raise an error which is yes or no only. See, here they asked me to, like, you want to play the game again, and I entered R, which is not the valid response, yes or no. So they said you have to enter yes or no only. So if I say yes, I will play again and I'll choose, for example, rock, and I chose rock, and the opponent, other opponent is choosing paper. So as we said that paper beats rock, I win. The one who is playing against us wins, and he's saying that I win. If I okay, I say yes, and if I say scissor, now why is there is an error? Check please. Scissor beats check. Okay. In scissor, there is a small k. Now, if I say scissor, see, I chose scissor and you chose scissor and I chose rock. Sorry, yes, you chose scissor and I chose rock. So rock beats scissor and I win. Oh, I'm really sorry. Previous in like previous turns, this above statement is about us, the user who is choosing any symbol, and this statement is about the opponent which is statically choosing. So uh, so rock beats scissor, as we know that because we chose scissor and the other is opponent is choosing rock, so rock beats scissor and I said I win. Now if we say no, we don't want to play the game, thanks for playing here, it will print thanks for hearing. This statement is this because we said that if we want to clear the game, it will clear and print this statement. I hope you understand this project, which is a simple game, and how we implement this game in Python.